In this video we want to talk about the Tesla's new car, or we should call it Cybertruck. First of all, we want to talk about the design of this car. According to Musk, the design of the Cybertruck was inspired by Blade Runner and the Lotus Spirit, driven by James Bond in the Spy Who Loved Me, which doubled as a submarine. The Cybertruck uses a stressed skin construction, termed an exoskeleton by Tesla. Like most modern aircraft, rather than the body-on-frame construction which is typical of trucks, as a standard vehicle frame would conflict with the underfloor battery pack. It uses unusually thick 3mm 30X series cold-rolled stainless steel body panels, which cannot be stamped like conventional automobile parts. The panels can only be bent along straight lines, resulting in a very distinctive faced design which has been called low poly or likened to origami. This material is the same material SpaceX, also owned by Musk, uses on their Starship rocket because it distributes stars more evenly and allows for more interior volume. Earlier design concepts for Cybertruck had included using titanium for the outer panels, but this was later switched to stainless steel for additional strengths, using an alloy that was developed in-house by Tesla. But the Cybertruck uses self-leveling suspension, which compensates for variable load, and some models feature all-wheel drive. The company states that other standard features will include onboard power inverters for supplying both 120 and 240 volt electricity, allowing users of power tool without a portable generator, and air compressor for powering pneumatic tools is included. The exterior stainless steel sheet metal is said to be bolt resistant. All vehicles are also planned to come with Tesla Autopilot, and they are planned to have a hard brake capabilities for fully autonomous operation. As of 2019, Musk indicated that there would be a solar roof option which would add 15 miles or 24 kilometers of range per day. Beginning in November 2019, Tesla has accepted Cybertruck pre-orders with a $100,000 deposit and offered a $10,000 full self-driving option. Tesla stated in 2019 that they expected the EPA range of the Cybertruck to range 150 to 500 miles, depending on configuration selections. And the powertrain for the dual-motor AWD version is similar to the 2019 and newer Raven Tesla Model S and Model X, all of which have an inductive rear motor and the Model 3's permanent magnet motor in front. Other versions are single motor rear-wheel drive or tri-motor with one front and two rear motors. Similar to other Tesla models, the Cybertruck can be pre-ordered with full self-driving software upgrade, adding an additional $10,000 to the price of the configuration. All models will have 100 cubic feet of storage space and a 6.5 foot long cargo area. As an off-road vehicle, up to 16 inches of ground clearance is provided, with a 35-degree approach angle and 20-80-degree departure angle. In October 2021, Tesla removed the Cybertruck pricing and specification from its website without explanation, while still accepting deposits. At the 2022 annual shareholders meeting, Elon Musk stated that final specification and pricing will be materially different from those unveiled on the concept vehicle in 2019. Thank you for watching this video. I wish this Cybertruck for all of you guys. Thank you.